What you doing, Schickster? I'm filming a trail cam review video for the Tube of You for Schick Happens. Hi Schick, and welcome to Schick Happens. In today's episode, I will be reviewing a trail of camera such as this. I got the idea from a YouTuber out there that goes by the name of David, and his channel name is Farmer of Hunting, and he does camera of trail reviews all the time. So I figured if he can do it, so could I. When I was at the local pawn shop the other day, they had one of these on display, and it was marked new, but like new of used. And they only wanted $499 for it. And being the bargainer that I am, I got it for $497. Such was a good deal that for only an extra $45, he threw in 4 AA batteries to go with this camera, as well as an SD card, which I believe stands for Secretive Documents. Once I get the camera set up, I will use a cord of bungee to attach it to the tree. The guy at the pawn shop said that this comes equipped with infrared picture taking ability, which means it takes pictures of Fred as well as other wildlife. He also stated that the pixels of megalix on this camera are 50 by 60, which means you could take the pictures that you capture and blow them up 50 by 60. He just didn't specify if that was in inches or centimeters. I have inserted the SD card and batteries. I would like to go into great detail on setting up this camera internally, but it appears to me there's only an on and off switch, which I think less is better. So we will now go afield to test this camera. I have a suspicious feeling you will really like the photos that this takes. One thing I noticed as I set this camera of trail up is it does have a video option. I was not told that, but that is a plus. And it makes it all the better of the deal I got. So I set it on video, and we'll give it about a week and see what it reveals. Stick around. It's been 1 week since I've put out the camera of trail. And I'd like to share with you now some of the video clips that I've gotten from this camera. And there you have it. I can't really recommend the model of this camera because I don't know the model. And I got a really good deal on it. But if you find one that looks like this and can get it for just under $500, I would suggest you do. Thanks for joining me here today on Schick Happens. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, we'll see you.